guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw a new part of Zac Efron. The last time we did his mouth, cheeks and chin. I'm putting all my pencils in a row on my bed. In that way I can grab a color fast if I need it. My dog was keeping me company. It is a lovely dog, but sometimes he is very distracted. Now he is laying next to me on my bed with his stuffed animal. I have a lot of time, so I'm going as far as I can. I'm going to start with his forehead and hair. I think of myself that I have the most difficulty in the drawing of the hair. So I'm very nervous to draw his hair. Also because it has weird shapes and different colors on some parts. I'm just going to do my best, and more than that I can do. As you can see, the hair has some different shapes and colors. So I'm very nervous about the outcome. The forehead is easy, because it has just a flat surface without different shapes I have to work around. I always start with the dark part, because it is easy to compare it with the light parts later. The eyebrow is also very difficult, because of the weird shapes and hairlines. The positive point is that the eyebrows are very small, so it doesn't take that long to fill it up.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Just tweet your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, so I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
The forehead is now done. It is now lunchtime, so I'm going to eat something and then get right back to it. because I want to finish the hair today. I'm done eating, so I'm going to draw further with the difficult part for me. The hair is a different stage. Hair has a lot of weird shapes and light details. It is a different technique than the rest of the head. That technique I haven't found for myself yet. I'm really scared that I'm going to ruin the whole drawing because of the hair, but that doesn't stop me to do it. I am now almost halfway done, and it looks surprisingly good. I could not imagine such a good outcome. I'm not done, but I think I found the technique for the hair. Everyone draws his own way, because everyone is drawing what is looking good for him. Drawing is a way to show the world what you see in your head. Everyone is thinking and looking at something differently. With a drawing, you can explain someone what you are seeing. I'm done with the hair now. I finished it just in time. Now I have some time to clean everything up. I'm very surprised of the results of the hair. It was taking a bit longer than expected, but when I see the results, it was definitely worth it. Now I'm going to clean everything up. Thanks for watching to this video. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. That way you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.